This review consolidates feedback from users across the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Minecraft Kids smartwatch, an interactive touchscreen watch designed specifically for young Minecraft enthusiasts. The watch features 10 customizable clock faces inspired by popular Minecraft characters such as Creeper, Enderman, and TNT, which immediately appeals to children familiar with the game. It comes equipped with a built-in selfie camera, video recorder, and voice recorder, allowing kids to capture fun moments and create personalized messages. These features contribute to an immersive Minecraft-themed experience that goes beyond simply telling time. The watch also includes practical tools like an alarm, timer, calculator, and pedometer. These functions encourage children to develop time management skills, engage in learning activities, and foster healthy habits through physical activity tracking. The pedometer, in particular, motivates kids to stay active, which parents appreciate. The durable silicone strap with a secure buckle fits wrist sizes ranging from 5.5 to 8 inches, making it suitable for children as young as 5 years old. Many users have noted the watch fits perfectly on their children and offers room to grow, making it a great gift option for birthdays or holidays. In terms of usability, the watch is praised for its intuitive touchscreen interface and the variety of mini-games preloaded on the device. These games, along with Minecraft-themed wallpapers, keep children entertained and engaged. The memory space is adequate for storing numerous pictures, which is a significant plus considering the camera feature. One of the most appreciated features by parents is the voice recording capability. It allows children to record short phrases, which can be played back later, providing comfort especially for kids who experience homesickness at school. Battery life is another strong point of this watch. Users report that after more than a year of use, charging is only required every other day, and the battery performance remains consistent. This longevity is impressive for a kid's smartwatch and adds to the overall value of the product. However, the watch is not without its drawbacks. Some users have experienced lag when recording videos, which affects the smoothness and quality of video capture. Additionally, the silicone strap has been reported to lose color within a month of use, prompting some parents to purchase replacement straps compatible with similar kids' watches. Despite this, the overall durability of the watch is considered good, with the main body holding up well under typical use. The watch weighs only 1.41 ounces and has compact dimensions, making it comfortable for children to wear throughout the day. It is manufactured by Akutime Watch Corp. and was first released in March 2021. It has earned a strong customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 5,400 reviews, ranking well in the toys and games category, particularly in electronic learning systems. In summary, the Minecraft Kids smartwatch offers a rich set of features tailored for young Minecraft fans. It successfully combines entertainment with educational and practical tools, encouraging learning and healthy habits. While some minor issues like video lag and strap discoloration exist, the watch's overall performance, durability, and engaging design make it a worthwhile purchase. Parents looking for a fun, interactive, and functional smartwatch for their children will find this product meets many needs and provides good value for its price. If you own this watch, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help other parents make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for viewers interested in purchasing.